Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Techcross Sdn Bhd. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 4-digit MPM display panels. Where I can see now is 40. The character height of the LED panel is 110 mm. Let's start our presentation today. The width of the panel is 530 mm and the height of the LED display panel is 210 mm. And this LED panel is actually the double-sided, where you can see bottom, this is the LED panels. So let's put back. So for the setting, you can refer back to my previous video. There is a MPM meter setting. So I would like to go through a little bit. So this basically junction box connect to the rotary encoder. When I press twice, you can see that the number is changing. So the rotary encoder will keep on giving the MPM input. So the fastest I push, then the value will go higher. So this is how it looks like. So to go into the setting, press and hold the button. So for the first one, actually basically is set the brightness. So for the others features, you can refer back to my old video. So this is how it looks like. And the interesting thing is that this one we can set to decimal also. So press and hold. This is how it looks like. So keep on, trigger the things, then it will increase. That means that the encoder is doing this is the go to the MPM. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.